Hey, John Kavakis here from My Take. You know, a couple of weeks ago I told you we would have the details for the North American Brooklyn Collectors Club for you. Well, we got them. We're calling it the NABCC. And we've got a bunch of stuff lined up. I can't tell you how excited I am about everything that's coming. First, we're going to have a website. It will be NorthAmericanBrooklynCollectorsClub.com. It's not up and running yet, but we'll have it running soon. We've got a Facebook page, NABCC. We've got a bunch of guys that have already signed up. We're enjoying posting our models, talking about plans for the club, and just sharing part of the community we all know that we are. So go to Facebook and find it, NABCC. We're going to have an online publication. I like this idea. It's easy to edit, and it's going to be easy to contribute to it. We're going to ask you to contribute things to the online publication. Why? Because we're all in it together. We're going to enjoy the club. We're going to enjoy community. We're going to enjoy some fellowship. So we've got all that and more coming. I'll tell you what the more is in just a little bit. But the dues for the club are $20 a year. Now, I promise you, you're going to get value back for that $20. If you want to join the club, you can email Brian Vale. Brian comes to us from the Scale Model Train Field. He's very well known over there. He's organized a few clubs. He's been instrumental in putting this club together. He's got a team of guys that are working with him. They're just as fanatical about Brooklyn's as you and I are. And our treasurer is a guy named Woodfoss. You can get the application from Brian, or you can send a check for $20 to Woodfoss at 16 Bradford Avenue, Newport, Rhode Island, 02840, USA. Now, we're setting up a PayPal account. That should be set up soon, but I don't think you're going to want to wait, because we've got two items that I'm sure you're going to be interested in. The first one is we're going to have a gala presentation inaugural event for the club in November. This will be in the third week in November, just before Thanksgiving. I can't give you all the details now because we're working closely with another organization to do this, but I will promise you this. You're going to have the opportunity to experience something that very few people get the opportunity to experience. We're going to have 2 days filled with sharing the model car hobby, sharing the one car hobby, riding cars, talking about cars, snacking on beverages and snacks and all that sort of thing. We're just going to have a fantastic time. 2 full days. And think about this. We also have the inaugural club car offering. Now, this is something that I'm really excited about, because Brooklyn is making for us the very first convertible version of the 1956 Buick Century. If you've seen their Buick Century, you know what an awesome model it is. This one is going to be even more awesome. Let me tell you, the color scheme is going to be Dover white over Seminole red. It's going to come with a convertible boot and a top-up feature. Now, Brooklyn's only done this one other time in very limited quantities. They're watching us very closely, and if response to this type of feature, a lot of people have been asking for it, is favorable, they may be offering it on other cars in the future. So here's the big news about this. You're going to be able to pre-order this car for $195. Now, if you're seeing the retail price on the Brooklyn 56 Buick, you know what an incredible value $195 is on this stunning model that has features that none of the other models has. It's a fantastic buy. It's a type of value that we want to be able to present to you as members of the NABCC. Now, we've been working hard to bring this together. I have to acknowledge that the guys over at the BCC in the UK have been very helpful. Mo and John have shared their experiences with us, their expertise, and I think maybe some of you don't know how gracious those guys are, but they have welcomed us, and we're working side by side with them because we have the same interests. We're interested in Brooklyn's. We're passionate about them. We want to pull up alongside the company. We want to pull up alongside each other. And I already know that there are several people that have already signed up for the club that are members of both clubs. They've got a great model this year, a 65 Riviera in a very unique color of a 1-1. We've got a fantastic model. You can have both of them. We'll be going forward together, hand in hand, coordinating schedules, talking to each other. We're two separate clubs. We're really not integrated, but we share the same passion. So I'm looking forward to a long relationship with the guys in the BCC. I'm also looking forward to a long relationship with you. So if you want to be at the event in November, join the club. If you want to have one of very few of a very stunning club model, the inaugural club model, join the club. If you want to have the advantage of all of these things we're putting together, join the club. Whatever you do, join the club. I'm looking forward to having a good time together at the NABCC. Hey, this is my take. Thanks for joining in. I'll be back to talk to you again real soon.